Okay, the question is what would I do if my brakes suddenly went out while I was driving? Something can happen and there might be a computer problem and the brakes goes out. You might be on the interstate, you might be just going through traffic. Your brakes just might go out because you didn't change them in a while. A whole host of different things could happen for your brakes to stop working. It's never happened to me before. If I was in a situation, it doesn't matter if I was on the interstate or if I was driving in town, the first thing I would do is try to pump my brakes to try to get them to work again. But if that did not work, I would attempt to try to put my car into neutral. Okay? I would try to put it in neutral, and then I would slowly, as best as possible, of course, if you're about to get in an accident, this you might not be able to do this, but I would try to put on my emergency brake, which is usually located on the left side of right to the left of your brake that's not working. I would slowly try to push. As you can see there, the brake light's on now, right? And I would slowly push it without putting it all the way to the ground. So I basically slowly push it to try to get it to work. Now, this is on this particular car, but some cars, it's actually the emergency brake, parking brake is right here, and it's a handle. And basically, you could push up on it. Again, I would push up slowly. That depends on how much of an emergency it is. If I was about to run into something, I would probably do it a lot quicker. But that's exactly what I would try to do. All right, that's what I would do. All right, thanks for watching.